Oh, g'day guys. Sport collectors here today. We've got like a real good pack out in here. We've got 17, I'm pretty sure. 17 packs that's sealed. Show you that I won't bother, like you guys would know that they're sealed. So yeah, well, first pack. There's gonna be 4 parts. So yeah, 4 or 5 or 6 parts. I don't really want to get it wrong anyway, so looking for a top master or something. Let me just move the packs out of the way. Alberto. Oh, what's this? International double trouble. Sorry about that. So you guys can look at that while I look at the odds. Sorry. The odds are for it. International. Oh, 1 in 36 packs. Sick for the first pack. But they didn't flip it over. I like surprising you guys and everything. Sorry about that, Lucas. I don't know this person. Jasper. I don't know that person either. And Alberto Taurio. Sorry about that. Anyway, with that, I'm pretty sure that was, I thought they had it in the same pack, but it was just a thing. Anyway, I don't know how much packs I'm going to do, but I'll try to do quite a lot, so you guys, in case you guys can't see like the other ones, the other videos and everything. So, good pack that was, just before. No, oh, I don't know this person. Oh yeah, I do. It's a Donny. We've got things, save it for last. And we've got, Jordi Alberto, good Jordi. And then we've got a whole bunch of rubbish. Well, commons I should say. They're not rubbish. Anyway, so we've got a, what is it called? Hold on, I don't know it yet, but anyway, let's flip it. Oh my gosh! That's 1 in 26 packs, I'm pretty sure. 1 in 28! So 2 very nice pulls here. Oh my gosh. Alright, so another pack here. I should do someone that I've still done a video. Rubs his fingers on it. And he opens it. Bit funny. And we got a International Rising Star. 1 in 11, I'm pretty sure. Teammate. No, I haven't seen them. So this one is a team logo. Quite nice. And I have seen the other one. And my friend loves them. And gosh, he'll say, oh my god, can you please trade me? And it's a legend. Oh, Bradley neither has one of those. Brad, you're not getting that off me. Just saying. I should have done this, but I'll just show you that it's sealed on the way. Like, I might do one more packet after this. I don't know why, but hey, that's not Neymar. That's, I'm not sure, but that does not look like Neymar. There, and that's the proof. Neymar JR. I'm going to get back to that about that. That. Defensive rock. One more. So, and it's a fan's favourite. Ching chang. Commons. Last pack. Come on, we got to get something good or something. So hold on, I'm just gonna like put all my good ones over here so you guys can see it. That might be see all my good ones. Oh, I've got 2 more over here. So, yeah, I'm putting in there, last pack of this episode. I'll open it like, what do you call that? Oh, I can't remember. Anyway, RPL. I ripped it up. I didn't open it that well. Oh, James Rodriguez. Pooh. Plays for Phoenix, the other one. And it's another team logo. And nothing else. Yeah. Commons, you guys aren't interested. They aren't the best players, but oh, whoops. Oh my god, I always get mixed up. And one more BVP. Alright, so one more pack actually. No, I'll end the video here, so